Match between Anai Bung and Anai Okii.
Yes.
It's a heated match between Anai Bung and Anai Okii. Still under Kakogi assembly.
Right, number 4 with the ball. Number 4 with the ball. Pass away. Yes, number 40. Yeah, right.
Anai Bung versus Anai Okii under Kakogi assembly, Yahweh Pentecostal Mission.
Yes.
We are still live in the playground of COTN.
Looking someone that you can put through the pass. It is out. Think that is a throw-in.
Throw-in Anai Okii from Anai Bung.
He's going to throw up to God.
Right, Anai Okii throw-in. He has already thrown. Well, give me a pass. Anai Okii with the ball. Sorry.
It is a throw-in
The
again.
referee said no. It should not be like
Throw-in
that.
Anai Bung from Anai Okii.
Anai Bung versus Anai Okii. Still in the playground of COTN secondary school.
Long. Well, Anai Okii take it through.
Anai Bung ko ni pay wo dulu. Agak mo ko. Anai Okii nak puluh ko ni ana chungkan peti karu. Ikan kamu wala wan ko. Throw in.
It's a throw-in.
Anai Bung from Anai Okii. Kau cia complaining ya dulu dikta mana maruan jadi yang penyu. Tadi lu kena cia nyuper. Throw in and put it.
It's still a throw-in.
Diri ko Anai Okii.
Anai Bung is wearing white.
Long ball. Now it's Somali, number 7. What? Oh.
Kau ni pay karu new pass. Cia wood. New blind pass for Anai Okii.
Right, Anai Okii with the ball. It's now. Yes.
Anai Okii. Anai Okii with the ball.
Well, number 2.
Anai Okii with the ball. Anai Okii with the ball.
Oh my God.
Anai Okii with the ball. Anai Okii with the ball.
Yes. That's handball.